everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with a very beautiful English session, that is polite English phrases for the daily conversations. Okay, so I'm going to tell some polite English phrases with their meanings, and also I'm going to give some examples. Okay friends, so if you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Okay, so let us see the first English phrase, that is hello, how are you? So it means a friendly greeting to ask about someone's well-being. We all are aware of these phrase. Okay, so for example, how we are going to tell this? See, hello, how are you today? I hope you're doing well. So if you're meeting the person after so many days or for the first time, how you're going to tell? This is the way you have to tell politely in English. Okay friends? So let us move on to the next phrase. So the next phrase is thank you, or you can tell thank you so much. It is a way of showing gratitude for something someone has done. Okay? Thank you so much for your help with the project. If you want to thank some person, this is the way you have to tell. Thank you so much for the help, like this. Okay? So the next phrase is sorry for the inconvenience. Okay? Its meaning is nothing but a polite apology when something has caused trouble or difficulty. Okay friends? You are asking for that, sorry for that. How will you ask? Sorry for the inconvenience, but the meeting has been moved to a later time. Okay, this is the way you have to use this phrase. So the next phrase is could you please? So this is also a polite way to make a request. Okay, if you are requesting some person, you have to use this phrase, that is could you please? For example, how will you use these sentences? Could you please help me with this report? Okay? Or could you please help me with this project? Okay? This is the way you have to make a request. The next one is may I? So again, this is a polite way to ask for the permission. If you want to ask permission to a person, then this is the way you have to tell. For example, may I borrow your pen for a moment? Or may I borrow your pencil for some time? So this is the way you have to take a permission or ask for a permission. So this is also a beautiful, polite English phrase. Then the next phrase is I appreciate it. This is a way to express the gratitude for someone's help or kindness. Okay? So how will you use this word I appreciate it? Thank you for the birthday gift. I really appreciate it. Okay? If you are asking thank you, this is the word it comes. Thank you for the birthday gift. I really appreciate it. Okay, for friends? I hope you're understanding the English session. So this is a very beautiful phrases. So the next one is, it's my pleasure. Again, this is a polite response when you are happy to help someone. Okay? Thanks for helping me carry those bags. So this is the way you have to use the sentence. It's my pleasure. If someone is thanking you, you should tell like this. It's my pleasure. Okay, this is the way you have to reply. Again, this is a polite response. Okay, friends? So the next one is, I am sorry. So this is a basic apology for something you have done wrong or any inconvenience. Okay? This everybody might be knowing like this. For example, I am sorry, I am late. There was a traffic. So you're asking sorry is also a polite English phrase. Okay friends? So the next one is no problem. So again, it is a polite way to say that someone was not an issue or a trouble. Something was not an issue or a trouble. Okay? Thank you for waiting. So if someone tells you thank you for waiting, then you have to reply, no problem, I do not mind. I don't mind. Like this. Understood, friends? It is also a very polite way to say something was not an issue. Okay? So the next phrase is, can I help you? It means what? Again, a polite offer to assist someone. For example, can I help you find what you are looking for? Okay, this is the way you can ask someone. Okay, friends? The next one is, I would be happy to. So, this is also a polite way to show willingness to do something. Okay, if you want to do something to someone, you can use this phrase. I would be happy to help you in your presentation. I would be happy to help you in your personal work. Okay, friends, like this. Then the next phrase is, excuse me, could you repeat that? So it is, if you want to hear the thing for the next time, then you should ask like this. Excuse me, could you please repeat that? So for example, excuse me, could you repeat that? I did not hear you clearly. If you have not understood that one, if you have not clearly hear that, so you should ask in this manner. Okay, friends? So the next one is, pardon me. Again, this one, a polite way to ask for the clarification or to apologize for a minor interruption. If someone is taking a class, okay, or if you want to interrupt in between, if you want to ask that person, then you have to tell, pardon me, I did not mean to interrupt your conversation. If someone is teaching and you're going between and go and asking the question, so first you have to start with pardon me. Okay, friends, this is the way. This is the way you have to use this phrase. The next one is, that's very kind of you. See, again, this is a polite way to express the appreciation for someone's kindness. Okay, you brought me a coffee. That's very kind of you. Okay, this is the way you have to tell this phrase. And the last word for the day is, take care. Again, see, it's a polite way to say goodbye and wish someone well. How, if you want to wish someone, how will you tell? Say, it was great to see you. Take care and see you soon. So this is the way you have to use this word. I hope you like this session. If you like it, please share and subscribe. And also I have made started making the English speaking or spoken English, whatever you can call it, videos. So if you're new to my channel, you can go and view the videos. Thank you.